my name is Neha and welcome to the Studio Gulaal Style Vlogs. So today we'll talk about styling this beautiful half and half paneled Angrakha piece. I love this piece because it has a brick shade in paisley print with a contrasting yellow mangalgiri. It comes together really beautifully, and because it is pure cotton, it's one of the go-to pieces that you can look at wearing for summer. Styling tip for this piece is either coordinating the earrings and the footwear like I have done. So I have these really pretty pom-pom earrings that I have paired with these pom-pom flats, open-toed flats. It looks really nice, and with a piece like this, with an Angrakha, it's always best to go fully traditional in the look and feel, because that kind of plays into the whole classic legacy look. So the pom-pom is to bring in a little bit of zing, traditional kind of a color to it. It's a multicolored pom-pom, so it's got yellow, red and green in it. It adds a burst of color to the otherwise yellow and brick shade of the dress. Pair it with earrings and the footwear, or you can coordinate the earrings and the neck piece, or earrings and a statement ring. You can carry this look to work. You can carry this look to a lunch meeting, to your socializing with friends. It's really comfortable to carry off. You can wear this like a dress the way I have, by simply clinching it at the waist with a really nice belt like this. You can wear a belt and wear it like a dress, or you can go completely traditional by wearing a chudidar or a legging under this piece. One of my favorite ways of adding a little zing to the entire thing is by going for a really big neck piece and nothing else. So you can ditch the earrings and just go for a nice broad neck piece, which would also look really pretty. So you can this doubles up as a neck piece as well, and you can tie your hair up, so there you go. I have tied my hair up. I have used a nice statement neck piece. I like the earrings, so I'm going to keep the earrings on. Together, all of this comes together really well, and it makes you stand out from the crowd. So your personal style is your ticket to your individuality, to making a mark wherever you go. So this is our take on how to style this beautiful traditional Angrakha. We have just one piece of this. Like everything else, we make unique single pieces. So if you like this Angrakha and you'd like to purchase it and you'd like to customize it for you, please get in touch with us. You can also buy it on www.studiogulaal.com, or you can DM us on Instagram or on Facebook. Our handle is Studio Gulaal, and you will see our brand logo, which you can have a look at. So do click, buy, share. We would love to be part of your wardrobe. So if you like this look, please style yourselves like this and post it and tag us, and we would love to share your style inspiration with the world. So this is Neha from Studio Gulaal saying bye bye. See you soon.